Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Solitaire Clash how to send stars. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up the Solitaire Clash app, and then once you are there, what you need to do is look for friends or social section where you can connect with other players. This section might be labeled as friends, social or DW depending on the app version. Then next is to select the player you want to send the stars, browse your friends list or the player you want to send stars to. You can usually search by friends by username or tap on the profile to open their account, and once you selected the player, look for an option that says send stars or gift stars. Some versions of the game also allow you to send gifts or bonuses which could include stars. Then lastly, enter the number of stars you want to send, confirm the transfer, and then check for confirmation. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.